Welcome to Internship Draft Day.
Wasn't that long ago that we were both in your shoes as attendees of the event ourselves.
From this event, we were both able to get internships, as well as I now have my full-time career from it.
We look forward to telling you more all about this awesome event. My name is Ben Jensen. I graduated from UW-Platteville in mechanical engineering in 2018. I attended Internship Draft Day my sophomore year of college.
My name is Haley. I attended UW Green Bay, and I was a junior when I attended the event. I would say this event is really fun. It's at Lambeau Field. There's a ton of people there, a ton of employers. So it's really unique. And then you get to meet with all these different employers, and you're not just talking and meeting with these employers, you actually get one-on-one interviews with them. So it's just a fun event.
If you're attending the event, I would say that you get out of it what you put into it. I would say you should prepare in advance, dress professional, and bring your best attitude.
I recommend bringing copies of your resume and make sure to bring enough copies because there's so many great employers there. So you'll want plenty of copies of your resume to give to them. I also recommend if you have certain companies that you are meeting with, that you know that you're meeting with, make sure to research those companies and then also bring really good questions for them.
Internship Draft Day is a very special event. It is different from your typical career fair as you actually get to interview in person. After your interview, you're provided with real live feedback. This is huge for maybe your next interview or future interviews with other companies. You also don't have to wait in line. If you sign up in advance, you're guaranteed to have an interview time with them. This is a great opportunity to practice and to even get internships out of it.
From Internship Draft Day, I actually accepted the offer of where I'm currently employed, so it has given me endless opportunities from this actual event. So I got my internship. It was a year-long internship throughout my senior year of college, and then they actually gave me an offer to be hired on full-time after, and then I also recently got promoted to a higher level of what I started at. So it just has been endless opportunities.
Companies at the event are some of the top in the area. They are all looking for students for paid internships.
One piece of advice I'd like to give is try to book as many interviews beforehand as you can. They fill up really fast. So just during the event, make sure you try to talk to as many employers as you can.
Have fun with this event. Most of you are very stressed out right now looking for jobs and wondering what's coming next in your career path. Don't be afraid to step back, realize where you are at Lambeau Field, and enjoy the event.
We hope to see you there.